In New York City, Hyundai Motor Company unveiled its most ambitious growth strategy at the company's first ever CEO Investor Day held outside of Korea.
Welcome to New York and welcome to our 2025 CEO Investor Day.
Addressing an audience of investors, industry analysts, and global media, CEO José Muñoz outlined Hyundai's vision to become a global mobility leader.
One of Hyundai's greatest strengths is our balanced and diversified global portfolio. This is no longer about just producing vehicles. This is about becoming the leading mobility company in the world.
He detailed the company's transformation through strategic product expansion, breakthrough electrification technologies, and software-defined capabilities that will fundamentally redefine the automotive experience.
Our investment in software-defined vehicles, our focus on manufacturing excellence, and our dedication to treating every customer like an honored guest, we're building the mobility company of the future.
Hyundai reaffirmed its commitment to achieving 5.55 million global vehicle sales by 2030, with electrified vehicles expected to account for 60% of that total, or 3.3 million units. The company will expand its hybrid lineup to more than 18 models by 2030, including the introduction of Genesis hybrid models next year.
We plan to offer more than 18 hybrids. These will include Genesis starting in 2026.
As a major announcement, Hyundai will also launch its first mid-size pickup truck in North America before 2030, building on the experience gained with the Santa Cruz. To support its goals in the US, Hyundai aims to produce over 80% of its vehicles domestically by 2030. A key part of this plan is the new Hyundai Motor Group Meta plant in Georgia, which is set to reach a production capacity of 500,000 units by 2028, with a $2.7 billion investment. Mr. Muñoz also addressed concerns over a recent US government enforcement action at the Georgia facility, stating his confidence that a visa solution will be secured to allow skilled South Korean engineers to complete essential battery calibration work.
These people that are coming are specialized. They are building many factories in the United States and in other countries. And they do their job and they go to another factory and they go to another factory, etc. I believe there needs to be a visa which is especially designed to enter the country 5 or 6 or 7 times. And once the factory is finished, they don't come back again.
Genesis, Hyundai's luxury brand, is celebrating its 10th anniversary, having reached 1 million cumulative sales in less than 8 years. This success contributes to the group's overall strength, which is ranked third globally in sales and second in profitability, with all-time record revenues.
Ladies and gentlemen, our fundamentals are strong and our roadmap is robust. The group is number 3 globally in sales and the second most profitable. We have all-time record revenues.
Under its Progress for Humanity banner, Hyundai is focused on its customers, employees, and a commitment to creating shareholder value.